Hey guys, and I'm joined with Indigo23, and today we have got the finale of the memes until a new one will be released eventually. So, KN-COB-DP-10YB.
Yeah, they're too confusing anymore.
So, this is obviously known as caution. Carbon monoxide
previously detected.
Okay. So, yeah, I basically have all the memes now. I have Ready, This Is Only Canceled, Please See Manual, Hushmo Canceled, 1839N, of course. Female manuals, including the LBLV. So, yeah. Someone named Tom was the original creator of this meme. So, I finally have it. So, anyway, let's take this out. So, looks like it has a convenient kind of clamshell where you could just tear it apart. Alright, so we got a manual, of course, and is there something in it?
Please see manual.
Oh, it's just the things. There's a manual. Oh yeah, we're joined by Abby as well, but no thank you right now.
Abby, it's the manual.
So here's the alarm itself. So, as you can see, the design is very clean, actually, for a plug-in carbon monoxide alarm. So, yeah, we actually have an LED display right here. There it is. It says 10-year right here. Here's where the piezo is. This is where the voice box is. Here's your, this is the peak, yeah, this is the peak level. Here's the test. The LED lights. And, I guess the voice box goes there. Oh, it goes out here? Interesting. Here's that. I believe you just... Do you just take this out or no? Oh yeah, you gotta take this little tab out. And then when you plug it in, I believe it just like pushes in like that. Here's the back of it. Menu date was May 17th of 2016. So it's actually a little old. I don't know if it'll start... I don't know if it'll chirp, but let's turn it on.
Push test button.
There we go.
Ow, my ears.
Test it.
Cover it.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
See, it's got a voice. And now it's done. So, now it's on. Next will be the KN-COB-DP-10YH. I'm excited for that. So, hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video. I'll be replacing this with the KN-COB-DP2. I'm going to be swapping it out because I think this is cooler. Has a display and a voice. Eventually, I will swap this out for a KN-COB-DP-10YH, which has a path light / escape light, which is cool. So, yeah, that's that.
It has to be used as a nightlight.
Yeah, I know, that too. There you go, that's the unboxing of the KN-COB-DP-10YB, aka caution, carbon monoxide previously detected. And Indigo, you want to say bye?
This has been a Fluttery Electric Elevators production. Goodbye, and stay safe.
You should be like a TV show host. And then all the TV producers will be saying 1839N to you.
Oh, bullshit.
Maybe that's why you don't want to get a job as a TV show host.
I never said anything about that.
Alright, well yeah, there's this, and that'll be it.